Hello! In this video I want to show how to implement an image picker in Compose Multiplatform without using any third-party library dependencies. In the common code, I placed a box with a window inspect padding so that both platforms respect the safe area and avoiding overlapping the top-up bar. For simplicity, the demo just has a button. When the button is pressed, it runs the image picker code, opens the user's gallery, and once an image is selected, it returns to the app and displays the image on the screen. To store the image, I created a remember mutable state-of with the type byte array. This type works on both platforms, and the composable image can take a bitmap parameter derived from it. To make it work, we need to use expect actual implementation for both platforms. This is done with a composable function that immediately runs when called and returns its results through a lambda. Let's start with the Android since it's easier. On Android, we need a remember launcher for activity result with a big visual media contract. The returned URI can be converted into byte array, which we can pass into a function result lambda. To launch the picker, I store the launcher in a variable, and inside the function I provide a lambda that calls launch on it. Now the fun part, iOS implementation. Here I wrap the return lambda in a remember block so it works correctly with rep composition. In iOS, the UI controller handles all UI related parts, so we can call it with the provided view controller parameter. PHPicker view controller also requires a configuration where you can limit capabilities for different scenarios, but for now we will just use the default. Next, we create a delegate, an anonymous object inherit from a PHPicker API, which also needs to subclass an is object. In delegate, we dismiss the picker with dismiss view controller animated. After that, we can check what the user selected. The completion lambda provides an NS data and an error if something went wrong. Since NS data is iOS specific, I convert it into a byte array and pass it back through the result lambda. Now let's run and see the result. If you found this helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content.